Hey everyone, welcome back to Ali's Origami, and today we're going to be making another paper airplane. In my opinion, I like this one a lot better, so let's get on with it. So you start by folding the paper in half. Then you want to take this corner and fold it down to right here. You want to crease and then repeat on the other side. After you have done those 3 folds, here's your paper. Should look like this. You're going to unfold with these flaps facing up, and then you're going to take this point and fold it down. Just to right here is fine. Make sure you should have just a triangle and a little bit of paper left down here. And then you're going to take this corner and fold it up to this top. Make sure your folds are neat so your plane flies right. And then you're going to take this and simply fold it down into the middle line. And then repeat on the other side. After you've done that, you can take this line and simply align it with this other one. And just fold it up like that, and also repeat on the other side. So after you've done that, you're going to reverse this fold and make sure that this little corner will fit inside of this pocket. So reverse this fold. And then you repeat it on the other side. After you've done that, your paper should look like this. Then you can simply lift it up and fold it in half. And then you're going to fold the wings down. Make sure to leave at least a fingertip space left at the tip, and fold your wings down to about right here. And you want your wings to be symmetrical, so you copy off the other one. After you've done that, your plane should look like this. And then to make sure that it flies good, make sure your wings are pointing up, and you can take these corners and slightly curve them a little tiny bit. After you've done that, you have finished your paper airplane. And this is how you make my version of a paper airplane. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you guys next time.